welcome to Being Amrita Chef and Beyond. I'm back with playdate recipes, and playdates can be of any type. Like this. They can be full of chaos, they can be birthday parties, they can be project parties, they can just be anything when more than 2 to 3 kids are in your house. So, what should we do? We should entertain them, we should feed them, and we should feed them healthy, shouldn't we? So, such a healthy, cute, and exciting recipe coming up for you. Let's make some fruity pockets. Alright, so first I'm going to make the pockets, which are very healthy. I am using Nachni flour to make the dough, and I'm going to add some cocoa powder. Yes, cocoa powder is going to go into this flour, which is then going to turn into the pockets, and some whole wheat flour. And then with the help of some water, I'm going to make a fantastic dough with it. So let me just mix it, mix all the ingredients together. And now I'm going to turn this into a dough. Okay, this dough is done, and now I'm going to just leave it a little bit on the side for about 5 minutes for it to rest. Okay, in the meantime, as you can see, I have some cut fruits. Now here I've cut some peaches, some apples, and some bananas in here, and I've added a little bit of cinnamon and lime to it. The lime is to avoid the discoloration of these fruits, and the cinnamon goes beautifully with the apples, so to add that little extra bit of flavor. Now I am going to add peanut butter to it and mix it well. Okay, now I'm going to add some jam to this. We've all heard of peanut butter and jam, haven't we? The sandwiches are so popular, so I use the same concept and turn them into these fruity pockets. You all have seen my peanut butter and the strawberry jam recipes, haven't you? In my YouTube channel, Being Amrita Chef and Beyond, which is what you're watching right now. Well, so do check out those recipes, and you can use those recipes to make the jam and the peanut butter to be used in this recipe. Alright, so now I'm going to give this mixture a good stir and a good mix so that the peanut butter, the jam gets well blended in with the fruits. Okay, now I am going to take my dough, add some flour to it so that I can roll this easily. Let's roll. Okay, so this is very easy to do. What I usually like to do is I just roll out the entire dough. So here is a cookie cutter. Right now I'm going to put it on the side, and I have a pan here which I'm going to heat. Okay, so now the pan seems to be hot, and I'm going to now just start cooking them. Alright, these are getting ready. Nachni is full of calcium and it has a lot of fiber, so it's a great replacement for regular flour. Alright, so this is done. Now I'm going to take these out on my chopping board, and I'll allow it to cool down just a wee bit before I slice this from one side and turn them into pockets. Just slice it from the center to make a pocket. Peekaboo! I'm going to fill it in with my yummy peanut butter jam fruity mix. So now this is a great way of feeding children fruit, which they usually don't like to eat. Now for the final presentation, I have a platter here, and I'm going to start serving these yummy pockets on it. I think God wants me to eat this piece, so I'm going to dig into this yummy and healthy fruity pocket, and He wants you to subscribe to Being Amrita Chef and Beyond so that you can watch all the recipes in the Playdate playlist.